Hello, John. This is Vanessa. I am with the Business Loyalty Program, a solution provider. Your account alerted me regarding an expired promotion or devices. I would like to review your bill and equipment log to see if you are maximizing the full promotional rate and the most updated device. This can save you an average of 10 to 15% on your monthly bill. You can call me back or text me at 619 882 8940. Once again, this is Vanessa and that number is 619 882 8940. Thank you for being a loyal customer and I'm looking forward to talking with you soon. Hello everyone, I'm Vanessa. I'm 32 years old and currently based in Manila, Philippines. I am a college undergraduate, completed 2 years of mechanical engineering. I have a total of 4 years of experience working from home in the BPO industry. I handled customer support through three primary channels such as email, phone, and chat for 3 years and 6 months. Over the years, I developed strong communication, problem solving, and multitasking skills and consistently delivered a high level of customer satisfaction. I also worked as an administrative assistant for 6 months, where I was responsible for managing health insurance licenses for the US based employees. I believe I'm a strong fit for the role because aside from having the skills and experience closely aligned to your job requirements, I consistently proven that I can work independently and stay efficient while working remotely. Um, in my role at DoorDash support, I once received a call from a driver saying that he couldn't continue delivering the order because he lost his data and he couldn't use his live map to check the exact address of the customer. So I told him to get the order delivered. I guided him turn by turn like a Waze. And yeah, the order arrived before the estimated time of arrival. The customer was happy because the food arrived fresh, and the driver was very thankful, even leaving me a high rating. So it felt great to help them both at once. It was like hitting two birds with one stone. So that's it. Thank you for watching my video. I am excited about the opportunity to bring my customer service skills to the team. Hope to speak with you soon. Bye bye.